Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that can perform a variety of functions and calculations. Here are some common Excel formulas that you can use. Sum adds a range of cells together. For example, equals sum A1 colon A10 will add up the values in cells A1 through A10. Average calculates the average of a range of cells. For example, equals average A1 colon A10 will find the average of the values in cells A1 through A10. Max finds the maximum value in a range of cells. For example, equals max A1 colon A10 will find the highest value in cells A1 through A10. Minute finds the minimum value in a range of cells. For example, equals min A1 colon A10 will find the lowest value in cells A1 through A10. Count counts the number of cells in a range that contain a numerical value. For example, equals count A1 colon A10 will count the number of cells in cells A1 through A10 that contain a number. COUNTIF counts the number of cells in a range that meet a certain criteria. For example, equals COUNTIF A1 colon A10 greater than equals 5 will count the number of cells in cells A1 through A10 that are greater than or equal to 5. If returns one value if a condition is true, and another value if it is false. For example, equals if A1 greater than 10, yes, no, will return yes if the value in cell A1 is greater than 10, and no if it is not. These are just a few examples of the many formulas available in Excel. With a little practice, you can become proficient in using them to perform complex calculations and analysis in your spreadsheets.